Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Fill a small bowl with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap, not hot because thermal shock can stress settings. Place the ring in the solution and let it soak for 5–10 minutes to loosen oils and dirt. While it soaks, inspect prongs and the underside for debris and any loose stones. This matters because dirt hides damage. Once you've soaked it, pick up a soft toothbrush and get ready to brush gently. Don't scrub hard. Now you'll clean the detailed areas. Hold the ring firmly and brush at about a 45-degree angle. This helps dislodge grime under the sapphire and around prongs without catching. Use small circular motions and short strokes. Work methodically around the entire setting. Rinse the ring next under lukewarm running water or transfer to a fresh bowl of clean water. This removes soap residue that can dull sparkle. Pat dry with a microfiber cloth. Finish by buffing the sapphire and band lightly with a microfiber cloth to restore shine. This removes fingerprints and last residues. If you still see cloudiness, repeat the soak and brush cycle. Sometimes trapped oils need a second pass. Make sure to reassess prongs each time. If you spot looseness, chips, or persistent haze, stop home cleaning and take the ring to a professional jeweler. Trying stronger chemicals or ultrasonic cleaners on a compromised setting can cause stone loss. One trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.